Hi, and welcome to the January Stitch Fix for 2021. I went ahead and combined my January Stitch Fix with a couple of items that were buy your looks in the past months, because I know that people like to look at both. So I'm going to go ahead and make this intro quick because I did a lot of information in my individual reviews. So I got my third stylist, Erica, back. And she was excited to work with me. In fact, she's like, oh, I hope we can establish a relationship. In her little letter that she sent me here. And I'm excited because I would really like to go back to just having someone who kind of knows me and gets my style the way Lauren and Christine did. I had a nice enough experience with Erica, but I think I'd like to have, I'm not Erica, excuse me, whoever my last one was, I think it was Mary in Christmas time. That's right. So this has all the items I received. I am actually only going to be keeping 3 of them. 2 of them are just not my style, and so just not a big fan. I'm happy enough with 3 of the items, and I actually will wear them all the time. Okay. So the total cost of this is rather expensive. It would be $358 with a minus $89.50 for 25% off. And if I bought these extras that I purchased, that I asked for, that would make the total go up to $290.50 with the $20 styling fee taken off. So in reality, I'm just going to be keeping an $88 item, a $92 item, and a $68 item. So what ends up being left over is $110, and I don't think that the extra $30 is worth it for the 2 items that I'm not keeping. The math makes sense. It took a while for me to figure it out because there's so many different variables. All right, so I will go ahead and get started with the ones that were in the fix, and then I'll show you the items that will be reviewed that were part of these shop your looks. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is the DIBA Lovely Suede Bootie. This is $70. These are a size 9.5. I will not be keeping these, and I'll explain why in the little individual review of it. Next is the PISTOLA Arianna High Rise Button Front Skinny Jean. This is in burnt orange. This is a size 10. These I will be keeping. They are $88, and so they are rather expensive, but they fit very, very well and are very well made. And they actually match quite a bit in my wardrobe, and I don't have any jeans that are this color. In fact, I have very few colored jeans considering how many clothes I actually have. So you'll hear more about these in their individual review. Next, I've got The Skies Are Blue. This is the Hannah Modal Scuba Blazer. This is my favorite item from the entire fix. I thought I wouldn't like it, but as it turns out, it is amazing. And I'm going to get into why I love it so much in the individual review, but I'm just going to show you. It is so soft. And this color is so pretty. And it goes with a lot that's already in my wardrobe. So just something perfect. And actually, I don't have many blazers. I don't wear blazers and cardigans all that often. So this was amazing to get. And to find out that I love it this much means I may be seeking this out in other colors. All right, so that is, this is $92, so it's rather expensive, but based on how I feel in it and how well it works with my wardrobe, I will probably be wearing it quite a bit. So she did a great job with that one. Next is the Rayne Ari V Neck Pullover. This is a size medium. It's in gray. This is $68. I love Rayne. His sweaters are gorgeously made. They're super soft. This would look really nice underneath this blazer, which I think she had some intentions of me doing, but the sleeves are too long, and that's okay. I don't need necessarily something to go over this. It looks fine without a blazer. So this blazer that I'm keeping is going to go ahead and be something that I'll pair with these shorter sleeve tops. Finally, we have something I'm definitely not going to be keeping. It is the Nakamol Odisha Layered Natural Stone Necklace. It's in white. It is $40. It is actually really pretty. I love these stones. They're so beautiful. And in general, I like the look, but it's one of those ones where they attach, it's like one necklace and then they attach the 3 below it. what I find is that they get tangled up during the day, and that drives me crazy. So I think in the future, if they want to send me ones like this, I'd rather them just send me just a single strand, or if they're going to send me ones that are 3, I'd rather have 3 individual necklaces that I could then choose how to put them together. This is very nicely made though, and had it worked out, I would have probably just given it to someone that I love in my life, because it wouldn't have been something I would have worn. But between the booties and this necklace, I just was not feeling either of them, and I was happy enough to go ahead and send these back. So the booties are reviewed, but I did not review this one, so you should not be expecting to see this in my individual reviews. Next, I have these extras. It's the Seeing Stars Lace Cami Short PJ set. They're in purple. It is a $42, and they're size medium. These are really comfortable, but what I found was as much as they fit okay, these were a touch tight, and this was far too loose. I could have almost dealt with the far too loose had it been a better, I don't know, I didn't really care for the combination of the purple and the black lace. So I think I might try again, but with a different coloration. And maybe not a short set. I'm not sure. But I did really, I think I like this the most, so I would get it in a size small, and then I would just not, either I would just wear these as like undergarment type things, or I would go ahead and give these to someone who would use them, someone who has a smaller hip line than I do, sadly. All right, so these are going back as well. And these are the extras that I added on before they sent me my fix. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and just quickly go over the Buy Your Looks items that you will be seeing in this video. So the first one is this beautiful, let me just take the first 2 seconds and show you. This is the beautiful PAPERMOON short sleeve top that I bought over the summer. I've gone ahead and put all the information over here and below in the comment section so you can see what the price is and what size I purchased. It's a size medium, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. This next one, I don't have the tags anymore because I've worn it a handful of times. This next one I bought about a month ago, and it is the 9 Britain Jalen Smocked Mock Neck Blouse in dark green, size medium. And this one are being reviewed as well in the individual reviews. Okay, so as a reminder, this one, and all the ones you're going to be seeing are Buy Your Looks that are separate from any fixes that I've received. The next one, this one popped up recently, like in the past week, and I was like, oh, that's cute. This is a dress. It's a knit dress with little cute puffy sleeves, and it's longer. It's perfect for winter time, and it's just such pretty colors, and colors that I definitely don't have. They're turning me more towards these burnt oranges and purples. It's kind of exciting. This is a KAILEIGH dress. It is the KAILEIGh Janet Hatchy dress, and this is a navy and size medium. And finally, the last item that is from a Buy Your Look is this one. It is a Market & Spruce quilted jacket. I bought this one about 3 months ago, and I have worn it plenty since. I don't remember the name off the top of my head, but again, all of the information is over here. It's got this cute lining. It's actually quite warm. It keeps me warm in upper 30s, low 40s. As long as there's not too much of a wind, I'm okay. If it's windy, I need to have a hat and some gloves on. So there you go. All the Buy Your Looks are also being completely taken apart in the sense of I'm going to go ahead and have the information about them and why I love them so much in the individual reviews. Okay, so I appreciate y'all stopping by. I loved this fix for the most part. It's unfortunate that 2 of the items didn't work out for me, but I'm okay with that. I've kept 5 for 5 for the past few, and I'm very excited to work more with Erica, and I anticipate that we'll have many future fixes that will be 5 for 5s, because I do believe at least one of hers was a 5 for 5 in the past. Okay, well, I will see you back here either in later January or early February for the next Stitch Fix video. Y'all have a great day, and thanks for coming by. Bye. I have on here the Daniel Rayne sweater that was sent to me with the poppies all over it, the PISTOLA jeans, and these cute DIBA booties. I am not keeping the DIBA booties. They are adorable, but I already have a pair of navy booties that work just fine and have just a tiny bit more ornamentation on it, so they make them a little less plain. I would welcome more booties. I just don't need this particular pair, though they do fit very well and are very comfortable. So I'll be sending those back. This poppy shirt, or sweater, excuse me, is V-necked. It's a gorgeous print. I absolutely adore this. And it's super, 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 super soft. You just kind of want to like cozily just caress your arms, which is weird, but that's what I'm doing. This is a very similar fabric to the Daniel Rayne sweater that I received a few months back, or 2 months back. I'll leave a card to that review up here if you're interested in seeing it. It's the one that was a crew neck with pretty little flowers all over it. It was a dark green color and the flowers were of like a yellow and red variety. So here is the outfit from the front and from the side and from the back. So there you go. I'm excited to wear this. One thing I do want to actually add note of is that I have this Market in Spruce jacket. It is a size large. This is another one of those buy your looks. So I thought I would just add it on to this outfit so you can see how it would look completed. Something just to wear out and about. I mean, I could wear this to school for sure. They're actually okay with colored denim as long as it's neat and tidy looking. Especially if it's like a Friday or there's nothing special going on. Not a Friday. Fridays is when we have mass, but when there's not something special going on. And so here's how the Market in Spruce jacket looks. It looks very nice with this color combination. There are side pockets. They have little things in the back to open it up, the tail part. It zips up nicely. It's quilted, so it's warmer. It's very sleek looking. Definitely could travel with this because it packs well. I ordered the large rather than the medium because sometimes I find that with certain brands in Stitch Fix, the medium, although they fit me fine with tops, on the jackets, they run a little bit too slim through the hips, just right here. And of course, that's where I carry my weight, so I go up a size. But the medium would fit everywhere else. So just bear that in mind, that this runs true to size with the exception of, for me at least, the hips are just a little bit too tight. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed that review. All right, on I have the Pistola jeans that came in this specs. And this pair of jeans is fabulous, and it's called the Arianna high waisted. It has the button front instead of a zip fly. And I love it, and I think it looks really, these look really nice on me. I think they fit me perfectly. So here they are from the front. Pull up the shirt, and from the side, and from the back. What I like about them is that these are a nice neutral without being too neutral. So it's a colored jean, no distressing, nice enough pockets. She suggested that I wear this top with these jeans, and I agree. This top, by the way, is a 9 Britain top that I had bought in a Shop Your Looks, and she had seen it and said that I should wear this top with these jeans. She also suggested that I wear the cute little blazer with it, but it just, these are too long, the sleeves, to wear with that blazer, because the sleeves end here, they're 3/4 length, so they didn't work. But if you are interested in this top, they have a nice ruching here, or smocking, and smocking at the neck as well. There's a little opening, but you can't even see it on me. It just kind of closes up. The colors are very pretty. And I'm quite happy and satisfied with these. So I also like that this top would look super cute tucked into like a skirt, which of course I'm not doing here, but I think it would look cute tucked into a top. All right, so that's it for this outfit. Hello, and this is the Janet Hacci dress by Kaylee. This is a beautiful little winter dress. I love it. I'm so excited that I could get it in my Shop Your Looks. So this is that one-off that I promised y'all in the intro. If you take a closer look, it's a knitted dress, so it's very stretchy. And I like the little puffy sleeves. That makes me super happy. I wore a sweater the other day that had little puffy sleeves, and it was just kind of a neat little feminine touch. It comes to just about above my knee, and I'm 5'8.5" or so. And here's it from the side. I don't love that the stripes don't match up, but I mean, you can't even tell when I put my arms down. So no big deal there. This is just a tiny bit off center, but again, I'm the only person that's going to notice it. It does stick to my tights, so I'm going to have to use either static guard or one of those dryer sheets, and I would just apply the dryer sheet to the tights, and then that would stop the static cling, so that's good. Okay, so here, yeah. I love it. I'm happy, so definitely a keeper. Okay, so on to my last outfit, the one I'm most excited about. This one is the one that you see me wearing in the intro. It is the combination of the Skies Are Blue cardigan jacket thing and this cute, adorable PAPERMOON short sleeve top. I've paired it with something that I got a long time ago, a pair of navy pants that are just casual but stretchy, so you can get away with them at work, but they're super comfortable. And the shoes, just so you know, are Zara from a few years back. Okay, so this cardigan slash jacket, it feels so soft. I mean, it is just insane how soft it is. And I thought I would hate this. I thought this was not going to be my style because I'm not typically a blazer kind of person. But holy cow, I love this so much. And the pockets, they're actual pockets, so I can stick my hands in them. And this pretty 3/4 sleeve length is gorgeous. She asked me to pair it with something that wouldn't work though, because the thing she asked me to pair it with was like down to my wrist, so that wouldn't work. But you can also make it go up, like tuck it up, so it can be even shorter. And it's still super cute. I would probably actually wear it at 3/4 length. I think it looks very flattering that way. It's stretchy. It does not have a closure, but I guess if you're a sewer and you wanted to add a closure, you could add like a little hook and eye thing here, but I think it ruins the line. The lining is adorable, and it looks really nice with this color. So it's got these, the greens in here work really well with this olive green, and the navies work together well as well. So here is the whole outfit from the front and from the side and from the back. Okay, so I was interrupted by a phone call by my father, but I'm going to go ahead and take off the Skies Are Blue cute little cardigan jacket thing. I'm going to call it a cardigan because it's stretchy and comfy and cozy. Here is the PAPERMOON blouse. It's got little ruffles. I think I've worn this in a video before. If I can think to remind myself, I'll go ahead and add a, what's it called, a card there so y'all can see it if I remember. And from the back, it has a detail. It's like a cutout detail. It's also very stretchy. The crepe is beautiful. Okay, so that's it. I'm definitely keeping that cardigan jacket thing. Oh my gosh, the thing's amazing. So if you ever have a chance to ask for it, definitely ask for it.